my god, look at my face. It's glowing, but I think I need a transformation. So let's do it. Channel. So it's today my birthday today, so I thought to share a makeup video with all of you, my birthday special makeup video. Hope you like it. If you really do, then please do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Here I am starting with my Jovis toner. First I will spray it all over my face. So after spraying it, I will wait till it gets dry. So I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes. After that I will take Saint Devon's moisturizer and I will apply a little bit of this moisturizer all over my face in a dot motion. So here I am using Pore Minimizer Primer. This is also I will apply it on my eyes first. After that I will do my face makeup.
ये कैसी खुशी है जो मोम सी है आँखों के रास्ते हंस के पिघलने लगी मन्नत के धागे ऐसे हैं बांधे टूटे.
Once I am done with my primer, I am just gonna wait for 2 minutes. So in the meanwhile, I am gonna use Blue Heaven lip balm on my lips. So after 2 minutes, here I am taking NYB concealer and I am just gonna apply it throughout my eyelid. And after that I will blend it with a beauty blender. So once I am done with my concealer, I am on the top of the concealer. I am here applying my foundation, Lakme foundation, and after applying this foundation, I am also gonna blend it with the beauty blender.
नैना ये मल्हार बनके बरसे रे.
So after blending my foundation, here I am using Lakme Compact, and I will use the same beauty blender and I will just remove a little bit excess and I will just set my eye, means the base of my eye. So here here after setting I am using eyeshadow, means the brown shade eyeshadow, because I think it's really suits me, so that's why I'm using a brown shade eyeshadow. And I will also use a brush for applying it. First I will apply it on my crease and after that on my eyelid.
ये कैसी खुशी है जो मोम सी है, आंखों के रास्ते हंस के पिघलने लगी मन्नत के धागे।
So here I am taking another shade of brown color and I will apply it all over my lid, means all over my eyelid.
रिश्ता जुड़ के तुझसे कभी, सौ बलाएं ले गया तू सर से रे, नैना ये मल्हार बन के बरसे रे।
So once I'm done covering my eyelid, I will here just use a shimmery highlighter for just to add a little glam to my eyelid. A little bit I will use of it with a small brush than my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply my eyeliner off camera because I'm not good in applying eyeliner. So once I'm done, I'm gonna use a mascara.
बावरा मन राहता के तरसे रे, नैना ये मल्हार बन के बरसे रे।
So here I am using a kajal from Eliatin just to create a little bit drama on my eyes, cause whenever you apply kajal it defines your eye makeup well, so that's why I will add a little bit of kajal on my eyes. So now I'm gonna start with my face makeup by using the same primer, and I will apply it in dot motion all over my face.
ये कैसी खुशी है जो मोम सी है, आंखों के रास्ते हंस के पिघलने लगी मन्नत के धागे ऐसे हैं बांधे, टूटे न रिश्ता जुड़ के तुझसे कभी, टूटे न रिश्ता जुड़ के तुझसे कभी, सौ बलाएं ले गया तू सर से रे, नैना ये मल्हार बन के बरसे रे।
And And after that I'm again gonna wait for 2 minutes, and after that I will apply my foundation in a dot motion on my face, the same foundation which I applied on my eyelids, that's only I'm using, and I will blend it with a beauty blender. So once I'm done with my foundation, I will apply a little bit of concealer on my face as I did before. So, and after applying a concealer, I'm also gonna blend it with a beauty blender. So right now I'm gonna set my face with the same compact which I used before, and with the help of a beauty blender I will set it, and after that I will use the applicator of the compact for setting it. So once I'm done applying my compact, I'm gonna remove my lip balm, and I will apply a lipstick from Eliatin in the shade Maroon.
ये कैसी खुशी है जो मोम सी है, आँखों के रास्ते हंस के पिघलने लगी, मन्नत के धागे ऐसे हैं बांधे.
And lastly, after applying lipstick, I'm gonna put some powder on my lips to make it matte, cause it's a gloss. So guys, this is my complete makeup look. Hope you all like it. If you really do, then please do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.